we have to talk about what is actually our India is capable of and what we can do to make it better and what should be done, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so nowadays, the one topic is very, very burning. I think everyone knows. Boycott Chinese product, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So for that, I think, yeah, it is truly possible and it will be possible one day, but not currently now. So for that, I think we have to start, like, firstly, I'm going to talk about in terms of technology, because technology is a that thing for now, for this decade, like in 2020, and maybe after it, technology is a that thing which every single people need and everyone want to work with it, because if we will take example of China, they are totally based on technology. That's why they are doing such kind of, we can say, bullshit with every single neighboring countries. They want to rule, they want to rule whatever the neighboring countries they are always trying to uh, create some crisis, whether it's a Bhutan, whether it's a Taiwan, or whether it's a India. And so they don't have a kind of good mindset. I'm not talking about people up there, but yeah, definitely the Communist Party which they rule there. So the main thing is our India must become self-reliant, as PM Modi also addressed, make in India, and also the vocal for local. So that is only possible if we must have our own software, if we must have our own hardware, our kind of our own manufacturing sector. So we have to start working in that way, in that field. um, like our government and our corporate sector, they can start to working with each other, and they can also avail, or they can provide some platform to students, to maybe sometime freshers also, who they can learn and they can work in that area. So definitely in coming days, technology is growing, and it is very essential to make our own product in terms of everything. Now I'm wanted to say something about manufacturing sector, because manufacturing sector is also a very, very important field, and it also plays a vast role in our economic development. So
Yes.
we also try to develop as much as possible our manufacturing sector. And there are also benefits like agriculture, banking sector, real estate. If we will try to grow our strength in this field, our economy will grow and GDP also will grow. Like, if we will talk about agriculture, we are totally now, I mean, mostly agriculture happens in our India in village. Okay, and the farmers are not as much as capable in terms of money as well as in terms of knowledge. So governments, or maybe sometimes corporate sectors, they can also aware those people, if you will use such technology or maybe such machines, so it will be good for you. So I think everyone must start to become educated about their business. I'm not talking about they must need something kind of degree or anything. They start to know about their business, what they are actually doing. So I think in that term, because farmer is a, he's a very important part of our India, and it also plays a great role in our GDP. So I think this is all from mine. So thank you.
Okay, so who will start? I
Yeah,
think
anyone can.
Vicky or Abhinav,
Yeah.
was your.
Hmm.
Okay, Abhinav, you have to start.
Yes. Actually, yes, yes, okay. Actually, I don't think so. We can boycott a Chinese product in one day. Firstly, we have
Sure.
to adopt as you are engineering students, so we have adopt some technology that will not affect to our economy, Indian economy.
Hmm.
I don't think so. It will be possible to boycott the Chinese product in one day. It will be gradually. firstly we have to adopt some technology. As Vivekanand says, if we have 100 good minds, we have revolutionized the whole country. So we can do. Uh, Now it will be started from uh, this. We have to work on new technologies that will improve our
I
economy.
think Abhinav's voice is humbling.
Yes, yes. Due
Yeah, a
to
little
network
bit.
problem.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Actually, some network together.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, but Abhinay, just go on. If you have to keep your more
Opinion.
point, because we have listened you, whatever you told, we have listened you. So just keep on. Now I think,
Now I'm audible.
Yes, yes. You are
yeah,
audible.
you are maybe.
Okay, I
Hmm.
want to say that we have gradually boycotted Chinese products. Firstly, we have to adopt some technologies.
Yes, yes.
The, after all, we boycott.
Right. Okay.
So, Vicky, you have to start. Or
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. As Dhruv and Abhinav told that we cannot avoid using China product suddenly. We'll do gradually. So we will have to do everything in short time so that we can also produce everything in our country, and that will also be fruitful for every Indian people. We'll also get jobs from there. And I think 3 to 4 years back, government has brought the scheme,
Yeah.
yeah, make in India
Right. Right.
via via MSME.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So that purpose of purpose of make in India was also same, that we have to produce everything in our country, whatever we
Hmm.
can produce.
Yes.
So, and mostly people don't know that made in the exactly thing what are made in India or from foreign country. Like people say that mobiles which we are using, they all say that they are from India, but they don't know they are actually assembled in India, because we don't have every part of them in our country. We
Yes.
only import from there. And 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 other one is make for India. You also guys must have heard. So I think that is for Indian people only.
Hmm.
The products which will be produced or designed in India for Indian people only.
Yeah, sure. I think like we must have our own Facebook, our
Yeah,
own Amazon, kind of those things,
yeah.
right? And we have our
And
own
we can
Google.
say, yeah,
Hmm.
and like we say that it is made in India, so we can say that we can take the example of clothes which
Hmm.
we wear. They all are from India only. We only
Textile
depend on
industry.
India. we
Textile
all
industry.
Yeah, we only
Right.
depend on, yeah, India, because every single part of clothes are from
Hmm.
India only, so we can say made in India. But
Hmm.
like we are, on the other hand, we are using mobiles and laptops, we cannot say that they are from India only, because every many parts uh, of mobile and laptop we are using are from foreign countries, like
Hmm.
Japan and
Mostly
Russia,
from
China, America.
China.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
And mostly part of the made in India, or make in India, and make for India are based on only marketing.
Yes.
So all we have to do is we should encourage the Indian people, whom we can encourage, so they also try to contribute their own views to make India better.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, Anyone other should put, maybe Gyanendra or Shivam?
Yeah, Gyanendra, I think Shivam.
Okay.
too.
So
Mhm.
I want to say that first of all, there is two terms: Make in India and Made in India. So, Make in India program was launched by Narendra Modi in 2014, in which foreign companies will invest in our country with the help of FDI. So, concept was the
Right.
concept of FDI was to strengthen our GDP growth, to produce the more employment in our India. But problem is that the part of profit, the part of the profit is going to the foreign countries. So our share, the profit is divided into two parts. One is part of foreign countries and other is divided into our country. So I think that it's a good for an employment. But after that, we are going for the made in India. So it is the concept that we are producing each and
Mhm.
everything in our country. We are promoting our local manufacturers, as Vicky has told that MSMEs, the mini small micro micro small mini medium enterprises. So recently Nirmala Sitaraman Raman is also introduced 3 lakh crore rupees for the MSMEs. So the part of if you are the part of MSME, you definitely will get lots of benefits from the government. You will definitely will be you will get lots of discounts in your loan. So concept is that when we are promoting or made by India, so in which we can do that, we have to strengthen our technology, because in manufacturing sector our India is good, but if foreign companies will come to our India, it will use our resources like water resources, land. So our most of the part will be covered with the industries and other things, and agriculture part will be, I think, suppressed from that part. So I think that we have to
Mhm.
first sharpen our technology. FDI is good. You will introduce with new technology which are currently running in the foreign countries, and definitely you will learn from lot of things from them. But it is for long term, it is not good for our country. We have to become a self-reliable. So made for India will make our self-reliable, and also it will make global recognition in the world. So suppose we are producing clothes, we are producing textiles, all those things. We are in a global phase in the world. But in the terms of the technical things like we are electronic gadgets and all these things, we are totally dependent on Chinese product. If like Samsung is producing their goods, but they are most of the part they are producing in most of the part they are manufacturing in the China. So we can't boycott the Chinese product because their technology is good. But thing is that how we
Mhm.
have to make our small enterprises will how to make them potent so that they can make global recognition. Suppose FDI will come, their
Yeah.
large industries will develop, but what will be our small enterprises will, they will produce in large scale, their product will be cheaper than our country products. So definitely our small MSMEs will be extended. So for short time it is good, but whenever going for long term it is not good. It will depress our global recognition. So so first is that there is in the economy on GDP there is three sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. In primary sector we are going for agriculture, and in secondary and tertiary we all combined into like goods and services. So these are the part of MSMEs. So we have to make our in manufacturing industries technology good and also service.
Mhm.
Because
Yeah.
the 59, I think, I can't remember what is the exact, but 59% contribution of the tertiary sector in the GDP. So whenever we are going for like agriculture in India, we have a good lands, we have the fertile lands, so we can also start with the our agriculture products, like we can produce organic farm, we can produce our goods from organic farms. So we can put our global face on the whole world. But for electrical gadgets or other thing electronic gadgets, we have to learn from them, from China, from South Korea, because they have good technology as compared to India. That's why Lava is lagging behind the MI and other firms. We can adopt lava foam. First we have to make our technology greater. In terms of greater means we have to make it cheaper and smarter than MI and Realme or other. Without
You're right.
without making it better, how can we will promote our product? Anyone who is investing about 900 300 900 or 10,000 9,000 or 10,000 rupees in a mobile phone, so if you are going for Lava, they are not getting too much feature as compared to the MI or Realme. So main thing is that
Yeah.
we have to make our products such a that so that their quality should be greater than their services should be greater than from the Chinese companies or other
Mhm.
companies. Then we will make our country like made in India. Then we will go for the made in India rather than going
Yeah.
for make in India. Make in India just like that. We are just going for tonic. You are ill or sick. You are going for tonic. It will work with a short term period, but it will not. Will be benefited for long term periods. You have to stand with your immunity, because MSMEs is the backbone of our country, because 95% industries which contributed with MSMEs. Only 5% industries which are going in large scale industries. So if we are promoting our MSMEs with helping to cut down in the loans, to giving us the natural resources and other things, so that they can make their products in a cheaper uh, uh, as compared to the FDI companies which are investing to our India, so then we can compete
Yeah.
with them, because if they will produce in large scale, definitely their product will be cheaper as compared to our Indian product. And
Mhm.
nowadays we can say that our products has been lost their identity in India, in foreign also. We are better in clothes, we are better, but other things we are not going, not other things are not going well. So
No.
first thing is that our technology, we have to make our technology. We have not to cut paste just like in the Bollywood. They are just cut paste the movies from the other Tollywood or other Hollywood. We have to, because
Mhm.
when in our India, technology comes later, which was already going in our foreign countries. So why we are not focusing on focusing on the research. We are not doing good in research. Everyone wants to earn money but do not want to put their hard work in the short terms. So our sector, our manufacturing sector, our technology sector, our IT sector will be good, but it will need lot of hard work, lot of patience, and lot of funding, which will be provided by the government. Government should have to do lots of fund to the MSMEs and research sector. That's
Yeah.
all.
Must have. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's great, and it was nice from you. Now, Shivam, are you there? Hello,
Yeah, of course.
Shivam.
I hear
Yeah,
you.
Shivam. Now, I think you have listened everyone, so just keep your point of view and your perspective that what should be done. Okay.
So today I did not prepared on this
Yeah, it's
topic.
fine. Whatever you want to tell, you can tell because you have here to all of us. Okay. Have you listened us?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So just speak. Whatever you will speak, we'll listen.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So as as Gyanendra Bhaiya Gyanendra Bhaiya uh, told making India is making India survey is uh, composed by Narendra Das Damodar Modi in 2014.
Mm-hmm.
In 2014, so making India is an inactive launched by PM Modi. In
Yeah.
yeah, so
Okay, so if you are not comfortable with, come tomorrow with new ideas and you have to prepare. At least you have to speak. Don't think that I am ninth class or 8th class. Don't think that. Whatever in your mind, speak. This platform is only, but no one is judging you. We all are with the
Yes,
same
you
knowledge
know.
of English. We don't have too much knowledge of English, but we have to make our fluency on this platform, because here no one will judge you.